Hi, I have released a new automated MQL4 crowd algo trading system on January 1, 2021. This is a live experiment to show you what is working and why it is working. And I would like you to do it with me. Day 15 is January the 15th and it is a Friday. Our little expert advisor is doing well, the current numbers will be shown in the screenshot. I am tempted to close all open positions as it works so well. Don't you think that would be a good idea? We are at almost 3% and I am watching the expert advisor while I write this text. The equity currently is at about $45 below the balance, so yes, I think I need to do it right away. Just wait a few seconds while I do that and create the screenshots for this video. Okay, now all open positions have been closed, that was at about 9 minutes past 5 in the afternoon. Now my FX book says that we have a value of $30,718 for balance and equity, that means so far the net profit has been $875. So we made 2.76% net in gross profit in 15 days and I doubt that any bank would have paid us that kind of money, even if we would have invested our money for a whole year. That reminds me of something I learned from one of my mentors, Frank Kern, who was once sued by the FTC because of regulation issues. So never, under no circumstances ever believe me or buy anything from me, because all results I share with you are absolutely not typical and I am in no way giving any kind of financial advice for anybody. I am absolutely not qualified to give investment advice, the only thing I do is to sell programming courses to people who want me to. I have spent the whole day releasing new products on professionalcourses.com. That domain contains a hyphen, because the original one is occupied by some domain parking service. I think I will show you a screenshot in this video. You can find the free version for this little crowd algo trading community on that page at the time of this writing. It includes the download links for everything you need to get started. Maybe you want to take it, because I am able to add further resources sometime in the future. Okay, the markets will be closing this evening. That was week 2 in 2021 and so far I am pretty happy with the results. If you want to join this journey and benefit from the findings to improve your own algorithmic trading system, just keep watching this automated content and be my guest. So what do you think? Would you agree that so far our results have been good enough for a real-time experiment? I am curious. If you have any suggestions, just send me an email. Thank you for your attention and best regards from still snowy Germany, Raymond Bauer.